Hey, what's up? Today I got a really fantastic and easy recipe for Greek-style smashed potatoes. That's right, they're smashed. Smashed meaning they're a two-step cooking process. First you boil the potato and then you roast it off in the oven. Now, here's the thing. In terms of Greek seasoning or flavors, it's lemon, olive oil, and oregano. Simple, but so flavorful. So, first things first, we're preheating our oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going and it'll beep any time now. Now, for this thing, what I've done to speed things up, I've already pre-peeled and boiled my potatoes because you really don't need to see me boil potatoes. And for this, you're gonna boil them to almost complete doneness. And you're just gonna drain these off in your colander. Nothing to this. Here's the thing. The colander now is gonna rough up these potatoes by me just turning them over just like this, nice and easy. Some of them may get smashed up, not a big deal. And I'm just gonna take these and pour them into my roasting pan or my roasting dish here. Very easy at this stage. Nothing to it. What am I gonna do first? Oh, there goes my oven. First things first, I'm gonna season a little salt, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper, and we all know what fresh or a little bit means to me. I'm going to take these, drizzle these with our Greek extra virgin olive oil, naturally. And what this is going to do, this is going to be the browning fat. The olive oil, once it roasts, the potato will actually start browning and crisping up. The next thing, naturally, a little bit of my Greek dried oregano will go, oh, look at this. Absolutely fantastic, just a little bit. And with dried Greek oregano, a little bit goes a long way. As well, you can't have any Greek potato recipe without lemon. So I'm just gonna roll my lemon out just like this. And for those of you that don't know why I'm doing this, it's gonna release a lot of those little juice pockets that are in there, or these little juice parcels of the slices, and give us more of a production on our lemon. And here goes this. You can put the pits in. Nobody ever died from eating a lemon pit. Just like that, perfect. So, nice and lemoned up. This is what we want. Perfect. I'm saving the other half for afterwards, about half an hour. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna take these potatoes, I'm gonna throw them into my 375-degree oven for half an hour. All right, so now our potatoes are in there for half an hour. The first part of their roasting process is done. Time to take these puppies out and look at this. They've started to brown. They've just started to brown, which is fantastic. That's exactly what I want. Here's the thing. Listen to that sizzle, baby. Now, the next part, the smashed part, which is the most important. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a trusty potato masher, and what I'm going to do now is push these down, just like that. What I'm doing is I'm actually flattening the potato out and increasing the surface area that comes in contact, A, with a pan, and B, with the heat of the cooking now. So, flat they go down, just like that. Inside, they're gonna be almost like baked potatoes, but on the outside, they're gonna be crunchy, crispy, and so full of flavor. It's unbelievable. Perfect, just like that. Next thing, the other half of our lemon. These are lemony Greek potatoes, and who doesn't love lemon on their potato? So, and listen to just that sizzle go. And that's perfect, just like that. You know what? What the hell? Just throw that in there. And a little bit more of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. That's what's actually going to give us the browning, the fat part that actually makes the food brown and crisp up. So these are going to go into our oven or back into our oven for another half hour, and they're ready to go and ready to be enjoyed. All right, my Greek style smashed potatoes are right out of the oven, but here's the thing. I didn't mention this before. It kind of happened as I was making this, but once the smashed potatoes are done, and you can see they're absolutely perfect, they're golden brown, they're charred. Here's the thing. Right after they were finished baking, I sprinkled a little bit of feta over these and put them on the broiler for maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, depending on your broiler. Just enough to get all my feta cheese melted and gooey, brown, and blistering. So that's it for my episode on my Greek style smashed potatoes. I hope you guys tried this. What I hope even more is that you guys enjoyed this video, and that, you know what, you're going to share this with your friends and just enjoy. Food is bliss. So until next time, smash that like button if you've liked this video and subscribe. And so that's it. And so if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com for this recipe and so much more. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.